Good morning, beautiful people. I have a few questions for you today. Do you feel that your life is not working? Do you feel that no matter what I do, my relationships seem to fail? Do you feel that you don't look at yourself in a very positive way and there is always an inner critic speaking inside you? If so, watch this video till the end and you'll have some answers to these questions. For those of you who don't know me yet, I am Pooja Karwal Rao. It is my humble desire to empower people and to create happiness and to help people heal their lives. Do subscribe and do share if the video seems to make sense to you. Loads of us are looking for these answers. What I would like to share with you today is that all these problems, all these questions come under one explanation. It has to do with our inner beliefs. Inner beliefs is an entirely self-contained world within our minds and in our own inner worlds, which tells us and which has loads of definitions for us about us. We call it self-image, we call it a definition, we will call it our own sense of what is right, what is wrong. These beliefs come from our value system, which we call our sanskars. They come from our environment. The problem is, dear friends, whenever we feel that life is not working, our relationships are not working, it is because our own self-image is totally messed up because of what we've picked up from our surrounding. Self-image can have two challenges. One is what we believe about ourselves. What we believe about ourselves could have come from teachers and environment, and one is what the world thinks of us. When we listen to it carefully, we absorb it, we pick it up, and we start believing it. And the problem with these beliefs is what we believe will come true for us. What we believe is what the subconscious. There is a conscious mind and there is a subconscious mind. And the subconscious mind is all powerful. What it tells you over and over again not only becomes a belief, we start to see it all around us. So, for example, you think, I don't know how to talk to people. I am a failure at relationships. You will start remembering. The subconscious is like this elaborate filing system. It will keep pulling out those files where you will keep getting an evidence which will tell you, see, I did that day, I goofed up on that particular day, I was in that office, in school life, in college, my friends tell me, my spouse tells me, or my neighbors tell me. I get evidence from everywhere that I don't know how to handle relationships. It's my subconscious literally saying tathastu to whatever thought I had. Then if you think I will never be a success, you will start remembering instances as far back as school life which will tell you, I tried that, I failed, I tried that. I know there is no point. What do we need to do? We need to change those beliefs. How do we change those beliefs? First of all, we create a beautiful image, self-image, which is our own creation, which will let us know that the Almighty has created us in the perfect replica of His own essence. And we will keep telling ourselves that I am perfect as I am. We'll keep telling ourselves, I handle my life beautifully. I have an entire beautiful set of tools which take me forward in life. Then what do? We start to ignore the people around us. How do we ignore the people around us? It's extremely difficult, isn't it? I can hear so many of us saying, someone is constantly telling you you're a failure, you're a good for nothing. How do you ignore it endlessly? You ignore it endlessly because the same belief system which you have, even they are blessed with. They have their own belief system. So maybe according to their belief system, you are a failure because you don't have their idea of success. Why should it be yours? You just need to look inside and say, I love and accept myself as I am. You need to keep questioning these beliefs. Look deep within yourself to find out, where did this belief start from? It was just one incident. I don't need to make it a life's pattern. Until you try it, you will not know what's being spoken about. So when you try it and you constantly work at finding those hidden beliefs and to start saying, it's not my truth. Today, here and now, I am perfect. I am a success as whatever I want to do. My relationships are beautiful. They work beautifully. Basically, use affirmations. And as you do them, those beliefs which you turn up over, which are just lying face down as something which is negative and which is not letting you achieve what you want to, you will create a brand new life. I hope that made sense to you. Do subscribe and share, dear friends. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a brilliant day. God bless us all. Bye bye.